I agree to now, my lovely people. I believe say a lot of una don't hear this guy's story when by him wife for France. For good 2 weeks, they come they look for the woman, they not see her. He don't cut and put her for inside fridge. If they break, you bath children, carry children, go school by himself. For 2 weeks, they not see the woman. If people ask her where your wife, he go say, now so she go doctor place, now so she goes to a market. He can they give different stories. Until a few days ago here, they can finally catch her. So my people, I dey see a lot of people now, they come out, they talk. I wish say she know she for come up for the marriage no good, you don't need to stay there. Now all of una when they talk now, this girl supposed to leave for the marriage. Why she go back for marriage? But they no laugh am. This girl problem or every other marriage people now when be the friends. Now when surround them. Una when still be this girlfriend. She for come out. All of una don't know say that marriage no good. But if this girl now, someone courage make decision, say make she take come up for the marriage, una go want chop and raw. Una go gossip and una go mock her. Even though all of una when they close to this girl, una know say this girl ready to stay married. She won't marry. But when the thing no work out, she finally make up her mind say she won't go. Una go they laugh. Una go they gossip. Una no go talk the truth. So no be to come up for the marriage be the problem. Her friends will go discuss her with their husband, with their boyfriend. We go come wear the woman red cloth. Her friends will go know the truth. You go come the mock her. Now all of una wey dey around them. Not be even family. May we remove family first. Friends, society wey near am. And una supposed to come up for marriage. Marriage not good, so we're not supposed to stay there. Now all of una. See, this one don't happen. My sisters, my brothers. Una they hear different story. So when they happen, I beg. I use this video content beg una. If una friends, una close person, they marriage. Una see waiting that person they goes through. As they tell una, I beg. The day when she tell una say she want come on, make una tell and say no problem, make your decision. Only you know what is good for you. Make una not they persuade people. Make una not they use anybody to they make example. Na so they do one, na so be one. Una will be friends. Una will dey the city. City people, una be the Osunde way they inside. Make una let them make their decision. Una go they mock her. Some go even say, they'll go to their husband. Not they follow that girl, they play. Before she come harass you, make you turn to single mother life. Now single mother life, now the hungry. She no go see where face. Shame because of city, because of una will be friends. Let's remove family first. Una. And the worst part now. Una see the social media, TikTok, when you come so. Una go they sit down from one platform for another platform. Single mother, they don't want to stay husband house. Single mother, they not ready to marry. The one way stay husband house now, her market, how she take hand. Una go even surprised now say she for her to come out. Because of una when they TikTok, as she dey listen to una to come out, come they have them. I will say she come out last year now. She for buy this year. Or she come out last month, she for buy now. No. Shame. Shame. If they go, the way una go take talk, they'll carry their bag, they'll go the man house again. Me for put una for shame. Me and my husband don't come back without no happiness. With sorrow and thing wey be say bully and the sadness wey dey inside and the beating wey dey inside, she will carry back, she will come out, she will go back. So una when they dey city, una know, I think una know what I mean by city. City where una dey. Friends, if una you hear, you know what though? You know the marriage again. Why talk can say she no go fit marry? Who tell una say she no go fit marry? Or what to agbe? Una own too much. Una own too much. And any of una will laugh if friends say they come out for marriage. God will judge una. Now God, and this same God so now go still punish una. Because now una mad. Now make all these people they buy their husband. Like make them they buy their wife. Okay, just see now, for example, may we use, God forbid, bad thing, say enoge and priceless. I did to talk yesterday, I dey see say una dey persuade them, make them marry, make them come back, make them come back. And una know say that marriage no good, but una no want talk truth. How God take create una Africa, my Nigerians? How God take create una, I don't know. Una know say marriage no good, una go dey force them, make them enter domestic violent marriage, make them dey inside. Okay, God forbid bad thing, may I not use my enoge take compare am, my priceless take compare am. Say enoge come buy priceless, God forbid bad thing. Wait, una go happy put abi. If the guy wan go face kiri, una go there. Una don't dey force them, they go enoge, use your head. No listen to them, oh. And priceless, no listen to them. Now two of una know whether the marriage good for una or not good for una. Una dey talk yesterday for TikTok. Enoge, because of the children too small. My question be say, may God forbid say one of them buy. The other one they kiri. Pikin una they say they too small. They no go turn to government. They no go turn to government. Abo Sunday. Una they talk truth. Truth is bitter. Marriage, when there is no happiness, there is domestic violence. Make una separate. Marriage no be do or that affair. In my head, don't have a woo. Have moyo way. Then a married man, a married woman, can hana bury where they for put on for ground. You need to marry first. I don't know the kingdom when they carry marriage they go. It's good to be married, but when there is no happiness, domestic violence, make una pack una things, make una go. You see as this beautiful couple, this woman fine rich so. You see her now, make una dey get sense. Nigerians, I can't send this message for una. The thing, I go see una for my next video. Una bye bye.